Alright, I made it into Sam's Club, $9.82 right here. You will get 28 pouches. Next to me, they do have some cereal. I honestly haven't seen as much cereal on sale lately, but $6.58, and you know you get 2 bags. I don't know, I feel like these are kind of... Usually when they do like cereal sales, they're like $5 or 4 something. Okay, lunch for children. They get 8 apple strawberry, apple. Give me 5, which is apple, mango, strawberry, peach, banana. And then cinnamon. So you get a variety pack here for $13.89. Your limit is 5, so $2 off. Have they always had chocolate muffins here? I don't remember, but it's $5.98. I don't think so. But watermelon, same price in Costco, $5.98. Okay, look what we found. Spooktacular finds. So of course they're gonna have Mickey and Minnie pillows. Look at, there is the Mickey one. Let me show you right there. And we have a Minnie with the bow. So these are $19.98. These are $20. And these over here, these are the plush. They're not squishmallows. These are $19.94. Oh, that's cute. Boo. And they have this, oh, pumpkin. A show. You want to text our teen? See, she likes this bat one. $19.94 here.
Yeah, you can take a picture of the box.
And then we got, and they have like little holes for your hands, or you could store stuff in there.
Wouldn't it be funny to carry those Christmas caroling? You know how they have the hand warmers?
Yeah.
You carry one of these. That'd be funny.
I like this bat one. I feel like this one's gonna probably sell out. This is like really cool looking. We pan out. The beach cart went down $62.08. Is that the Pixar lamp? Yeah, it is. $56.98. That's kind of cool. Okay, got the Halloween. Ooh, look, they have a Disney one. Actually, really different compared to the Costco. We know it's the pumpkin. $114. I'll pan in. Oops, sorry. I'll pan in a little closer. We got Donald. I did buy. Did I buy at the Disney store? I bought some house, and it was the vintage.
Yeah.
Remember? Oh, look at Chippendale.
I like those.
That is his favorite. He loves Chippendale. Oh, look at the little one on top.
Are Huey, Dewey, and Louie all there?
If you want to send him to Disneyland for Halloween to see Chippendale, give this video a thumbs up. Like, for real.
I know I have videos from when I was like 3 and then 10 and then something else where I have the Chippendale.
I like how these light up. It's actually really cool. It does make noise, lights and sound. Oh, these are actually cool. $35. The zombie hands. High five there, bro. That's pretty cool. $35. They look pretty cool. Sometimes they look weird outside the box, but seeing them outside, I'm actually really impressed. So $34.98. We have the spider. This is $70. Doesn't move or anything. The ghost, a 3-piece animated ghost. Oh. I kind of like that. And then this guy on top with the RIP. Oh, it's 200. It's together. Okay. I don't know. I do like the ghost done. That's pretty cool. And this big guy right here, he's $289. That's like really huge.
It's 289.
Yeah, 289.
Foolish mortal. This is no ordinary tender. The deeper you listen, the harder it is to escape. Soon there will be no turning
Pretty cool.
back.
9 foot tall. Okay, we got the boo. We have the Halloween wreath, $39.97, and of course it will light up. Oh, the boo lights up. That's cool.
Oh, it stays on good.
And then walk around. Home sweet home. Enter if you dare. These are $12.97. And they also have the harvest wreath, which is going to be $40. I don't think this one lights up or anything. It doesn't. $49.97. You get 3 in here. I mean, I feel like this is kind of pricey for $50 because you guys know in Home Goods you can find really nice glass ones for like $20. I mean, or $16.99 at 20.
Plastic.
Yeah, if you like the glass, but those are plastic. $25. I'm just gonna round that. $24.97. These are candles. Uh-oh. Peanut brittle. It's $12.98. I think the ghosts are really cool. I feel like that's something I need to have. Because you know what? From far away at night, it kind of looks like there's like people underneath it.
Yeah.
Until you get closer, maybe. And we got the throws, which are $10.88. So these are not bad. We got like a ghost and pumpkin and a sugar skull. Okay, 100 mini squares. You know they're decorated for Halloween. $11.98. Oh, the gummies went down in price to $4.11. They're okay. Okay, Quest. We have pumpkin flavor, $17.88. Are you guys ready for pumpkin everything? I'm not really a big fan of pumpkin. Next to me, $17.88. Got blueberry and chocolate chip. Cinnamon toast, $5.98 here. Yeah, usually it's like 5 something. And you get 2 bags. Bacon carbonara ravioli. Interesting. These are $10.58. Oh, they had the pretzel bites and they're $8.88. $12.98 again. I feel like you could probably make this at home. I do like the spears though, compared to the chips, especially if you're in a restaurant, you guys, and the restaurant gives you the chips. You know, you just like the bread totally falls off. $12.98. Mac and cheese with jalapeno is $9.95. Looks like a new one. Bacon ranch chicken burger with cheese, onion, and bacon, fully cooked. $15.98. Then you get a variety here: white cheddar, Monterey Jack, Swiss. Ooh, this is $10.48. I mean, they have to like all this. I hate wasting food at home. Like, it makes me so upset when I buy something like this and I know no one's gonna touch it, or I think they would, but they don't. I just stick to original. Okay, somebody in the comment section said these were actually pretty good. Is that blueberry or chocolate chip? I never seen that.
Looks like
I've only seen the
chocolate
pink
chip.
and
I love
cookie
it.
and chocolate. Yeah, my husband. I normally get these like at a deli. I don't know. I want to buy them, but then I'm like, eh. But you guys did tell me that these are actually good.
Somebody was saying it.
Okay, they got the cast iron, seasoned cast iron. I do like the large pizza pan and griddle.
I was just gonna say I'd use it as a pizza pan.
$28.98. I mean, you could use the deep dish one and make a deep dish pizza. We haven't yet done that, but because we always buy the Trader Joe's, might as well just make a deep dish.
We should make it.
Hey, look at this one, the Iceman. Hey, Top Gun, $200, $100 off. A little different from the Ninja, but it's $200.
Looks almost the same.
A little bit, I guess. Just not as big and bulky, just kind of like one thing. $200.